All right, what's up, guys? My name is Kyle Allen. We are here in Scottsdale, Arizona at our property in Scottsdale Ranch. We're going to be fixing and flipping this one, so I'm going to be breaking it all down, what we're doing, so you guys get the whole inside scoop. So let's go ahead inside. So first things first, obviously we took this project over. We bought it from a wholesaler. So if you guys got deals, send them my way. I'd love to obviously buy them. So we got the front door here. We're going to redo this whole front door and this whole interior of this house. So we got this oval shaped front door, and that's going to be really, really sick to obviously make sure that it's an accent. We're redoing all of the windows throughout the whole house. And then right here, we got a temporary wall because we're going to be making a massive 11-foot slider. It's going to obviously add a lot of space, proximity. There's a beautiful pool backyard. So then right here, we're going to have like living room. And then you got obviously dining room, living room over that way. And then right in here, we got the kitchen. So obviously it looks like a mess right now. We got multiple framed in spots inside of the house right now. Maybe another area where you can watch TV, that type of stuff, right? And so throughout this whole property, we're doing like everything. So roof, AC, we're obviously going in here doing all of the new like flooring, cabinets, countertops, you name it, like we're doing it. And so right here, we decided this to just soften it with obviously some ducts. So we decided to take all of that up and obviously get rid of it. And then we got new windows going in here. And like I said, that used to be a slider. We close that off. This is gonna create more space for where that kitchen is. And then down here, we got a little closet. And then this is like the laundry room. So we're gonna have plenty of space over there. We're gonna do something really fun over here. And then we got a little half bathroom that's right here too as well. So this is gonna be kind of like everything from start to finish. What I like about this one a lot is we got the master that's on the first level. Then we got the other bedrooms upstairs. So you guys can see, big master. They're gonna have a new slider right there. Got a master closet, shower, bathtub, vanity space, all that type of stuff. Redo this. We're gonna obviously redo that window too as well. But these are some of the small things that like make a huge difference. So one of the things is obviously doing that big slider like I talked about right there. We're gonna do some really cool rails that are all, you know, like metal rails that go up to the upstairs. And then right here was just a complete loft. So it's just a loft, another space to obviously have it. We're like, what's gonna add more value, a loft or a bedroom? And so that's why we framed this all in. It already has a window right here that we framed, and then that way we can keep one more window. So we got a closet in here now, doorway. We got a bathroom right here. So redo all this bathroom, pretty much everything from start to finish. Then we got this other bedroom. And so before there's like kind of this nook. So because this is a lot bigger, we're gonna take this, blow this all out, create it to be obviously a bigger closet for that one. And then kind of same thing with this one, just normal room, redo it all, kind of get it all rocking and rolling. So some small details that make a long way of like framing in this room. And then outside of that, guys, obviously we're gonna do some nice curb appeal across the board on all of this. I'll take you guys out in the backyard real quick so you guys can take a look at what we're doing out there. So like I said, big slider is gonna be all right through here. And then we're gonna do all this is gonna be turf. And then we're gonna redo parts of this section too as well. And then we obviously got this beautiful pool that is gonna do, and then just some landscaping that we gotta take care of. Some of this, just clean it up a little bit, kind of get it all rock and rolling. So that's the Scottsdale flip broken down for you guys. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a message, shoot me a text, send me a deal if you guys got any properties that are distressed that need some work. I'd love to be your buyer.